Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money from home and online by doing video editing. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and today we're talking about how you can make money by doing video editing. Whether you're fairly new to video editing or whether you're very experienced and been doing it for years, you can make money doing video editing in a number of different ways. You can do a complete video editing service to where your customer can go to you and either have just one video edited, or you can have a contract to do all their video editing for a period of time, whether it's months or a year or however long, for a specific amount of pay. Or you can do freelancing and do video editing for multiple different people on a one-time basis or a recurring basis just through the freelancing sites and potentially get a contract with that person needing video editing for a longer period of time. You could also do video editing in the aspect of creating intros or outros or creating stock footage for a video to have inserts. We'll say, for instance, you use a stock video of people dancing in a nightclub to give that extra entertaining or emphasis on a specific topic. For example, we'll say you're talking about music and lighting inside of a nightclub. So rather than you yourself trying to go out and have your camera with you and your gear with you to record a quick clip of a nightclub that's popping with all kinds of people dancing around, music blaring, lights flashing, in the whole 9 yards, you could have somebody make that video clip for you so you don't have to do it. There's many different aspects when it comes to video editing: length of video, type of transitions you want, graphics you may want or need. There is a ton. And many people, especially here on YouTube, after a while get tired of video editing for themselves and they want to spend more time doing the things they love, so they outsource and have a video editor. For example, David Foster, Impartial Geek, aka Overland Geeks, Pat Flynn, Roberto Blake, Nick Nimmin, Dee Nimmin, Sean Cannell, Owen Video, Dan Courier. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. There are plenty of creators who enjoy creating video, but after a while get tired of doing the video editing. And that's where the video editors come in. It's something they love to do, it's something they can make money at, and it's something that will keep them doing things that they love and keep a roof over their head. So you could potentially go short term with your customers and just do freelancing, one-off video tasks of somebody contacts you, needs a short video done, you do it for 25, 50 bucks, whatever your fee may be, and give it back to them. You could potentially have somebody that'll go, okay, I've used you 3-4 times to do a video. I'm tired of paying you 25, 30, 40 bucks, whatever your fee is. How about we do a contract for $500 for this many videos? Or I'll pay you this much throughout the year to do these videos, and so on. As I said, you can do this on the freelancing sites like Fiverr, Rev, and Upwork, and any other freelancing site. You can also promote this service on your social media pages as well as your own website. You can go on to Craigslist and LinkedIn and other places like that to where you could potentially find customers for you to do video editing services. This is just one of many different ways that you can be able to make money from home and online. If you're interested, you can head on over to consultblindguy.com/blog, where you can find an article on this and many other topics. And these are just some of the ways that you can make money. You can order a copy of my book, Income Booster 100 Plus Businesses. You can start from home and ditch the 9 to 5. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and found it helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.